Idol mo ba si Have Abby?
Kakampi o kalaban, kung anong gusto mong itawag sa akin.
Curious ka ba kung anong shoes ang suot niya at kung magkano ito? If yes, please stick until the end of the video to find out. First shoe is the Lacoste Line Shot Contrasted Collar Leather Trainers. Made from mesh, leather, and rubber, nagustuhan ko sa sapatos na to is napaka-luxurious tignan. Simple lang yung design niya pero malakas yung dating. Second shoe is the Vans New School Black White. A modernized version of the Vans Old School with a chunkier tongue and laces and 3D side stripe. Mas nagustuhan ko yung shape ng Vans New School kesa dun sa Old School. Last shoe is the Nike Cortez Forrest Gump. A shoe with an iconic colorway known from the movie Forrest Gump. Nagustuhan ko sa sapatos na to is yung color combination niya, ang linis tignan. Please comment if may request pa kayong other artists or celebrities. Here the price of Have Abby shoes. Yun lang.